Hello you lovely people, I'm Sarah and this week I'm going to be making a spiced oat and raisin slice. Love this because it's got oats in, so there's a bit of nutrition in there, and I'm pretty big on doing baking that actually fills the tummies a little bit as well as being a treaty, because my girls are currently going through an anti-sandwich phase. Or at least an anti-packed sandwich. They'll often have something like a sandwich, or they'll basically eat lunch when they get home from school. Go figure, pack of weirdos. But that's fine, none of us are normal around here. So I do like to have something reasonably substantial that will sort of, get them through the school day a little bit. And this is a good one for that. So I'm going to start with 1 1/4 cups of flour. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, but you can substitute that if you wish, if you want to just add cinnamon or ginger or anything like that, but I've got some mixed spice, so that's what I'm putting in. About 1/2 cup of raisins or sultanas, whatever is cheapest that week, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats. Going to mix those in together. Now in another wee bowl I'm going to melt 125 grams of butter, table spread, margarine, whatever you're using. Before I melt that, I'm also going to put in 2 tablespoons of honey. Just go zap that in the microwave. I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and add a couple of tablespoons of boiling water in with that. Apparently doing this, it makes it so you don't get little pockets of lovely soapy flavoured baking soda in your slice, and it also sort of helps to activate the baking soda so it starts working really, really quick. Technique I've actually haven't heard of in any other recipes, so just an interesting little thing. So pop that in with my butter and honey mixture, mix it all about to make a well in the middle of my dry ingredients. Pour all this lovely stuff in and just slowly bring that all together. Now of course you can alter this recipe real easy. You can put different types of dried fruit in there. You could try replacing the plain flour for wholemeal for some extra nutrition in there. As I say, the different spices, you could use different sized rolled oats. If you don't have honey, you could use something like golden syrup instead. Pop this into a baking dish. And then I'm going to bake this in the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. Tell you what, as I'm slicing this, I can totally smell that mixed spice. That yummy. Oh, that mixed spice, that is aromatic. That is so yummy. Oh yeah, I mean it's nice and soft in the middle, slightly crunchy on the outside. Beautiful mixed spice flavour in there. The raisins add nice little pops, and of course with the rolled oats in there, it's quite nice and substantial, just the right amount of sweetness. Super yummy. Highly recommend giving this a go. Of course it's economical, it is cheap to make, it is easy to make, and it's yummy. So so there we go. Give it a go. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you've got any ideas for adjusting this. Even you could even put nuts and maybe even a bit of coconut or something like that in here. But anyway, we will catch you next week. Bye.